Welcome back to Joe Bob's Garage. This is going to be a great one. Okay, what I need to do now is I got to rebuild that carburetor in this one, and I'm going to put it in my ultrasonic cleaner, get it all cleaned up, put it back together, and fix the problem I had with the gas leaking out because the bowl is overflowing and all that crap. So I got to do that, and I need to put in a kill switch because I don't know why I did this. I'm not the smartest guy I ever met, apparently. So I had the key to turn the bike off on the left-hand side, which means you got to hold the clutch when you stop. So you got to get it out of gear. You got to get it into neutral before you can turn the bike off, which that's just a pain in the butt. And you want to be able to turn it off while it's in gear. So I'm going to take care of that. And yeah, I got to get on the coil and figure out how I'm going to disconnect the coil with the switch. This is all new to me. So let's get on this. There's that accelerator pump right there. It's not as soft as it should be, so I'm glad I'm doing this. There we go. That's the sound you want to hear. A little crusty, not too bad. Wait, I take that back. Ooh, look at all that crud in there. there, getting close. All right, this is what I'm using in it. I'm using a Keihin Dip carburetor parts cleaner. This is the water-based version. When you get this, I don't know if you're using in a sonic cleaner like this. See, the part is 0996 right there. And that means this is water-based. And it's got a flash point of 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which we stayed well below that. So, yeah, hopefully it don't burn the shop down. That didn't turn out so great. I think that what's going on is the big metal tray that I have in there sits directly on the bottom, and that big chunk of metal sitting on the bottom of the ultrasonic cleaner is making it not work so good, because the basket that came with it's got rubber feet. So I'm going to transfer everything over to that rubber footed basket and put that back in. Yeah, here I'm just hand cleaning the parts that I didn't run through the sonic cleaner. Time to put it back together. Alright, I got the carburetor up and running. Runs good, looking good, not leaking. Alright, come around over here. This is what I'm going to do. Had the bike running, disconnected this, bike stalls. So what I'm going to do is right in between here, I'm going to jump and put a switch between here and here up on the handlebars. So, yeah, which is this one right here. Ta-da! Hopefully that'll work, and the power going through that switch ain't gonna mess it up, but we'll find out. All right, that's the carburetor all cleaned up, looking good. There's my kill switch right there. Got that set up, so that's all good. That should be everything on this bike. Let me show you a little teaser. I'm getting way too many motorcycles going. Well, no, you can't have too many motorcycles. What the hell? I got this is out of an 88 Sportster. It's an 883. I've got that one. I need to work on that motor. I got the frame. The frame is sitting outside by the house. I've got this one here. This next project, this is a 95 1200. That's probably going to be the next bike I work on right there. I'm going to get it running and everything and get it all working before I tear it apart. And let me see, I got one more. It's out front out here. Whoa, there's that 88, 883 frame. Looks like crap, but I like them looking like crap. That way they look better when I finish. This is a 1980 Ironhead. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun one. Look there, got some ape hangers on it. There's old Krusty the Wonder Horse right there. Good boy. All right, and right there, that's the bike that me and the wife ride around on the weekends and do our little excursions. Y'all take it easy. Remember to check out the link in the description there for some sweet Joe Bob's Garage crap.